Fellow citizens, thank you so much again, Tinotenda Shukuru, for your boldness as you stand up to challenge this government concerning corruption, injustice, and poverty. I know ndinozviziva kuti vakawanda tichiri kutya kuti titaure tisimudze manzwi edu. Asi number yacho yawanda, the number has increased now of people that are bold enough to stand up and say to this government, enough is enough. I want to thank Nasi. I think I need to really do this. Ndimbonyanso kutendao my activists, whether they are political activists or citizen activists, who have been doing this work for longer than Isusu. Munozi apane vanhu who have been demonstrating in the streets. There are people that have been holding this government to account for many years. Vamwe vakatofa, some have actually lost their lives as they do this work. And I want to thank these activists that have been there and are still there today. It is because of you, imimi ma activists, imimi vanhu vakanga vachi demonstrate makore esaya, that some of us now have the boldness to be able to stand up. And so as citizens, we have seen your courage and we are learning from you to stand up. Hakuna chinhu chinonzi hachina basa kana chaitwa pakubvunza hurumende yedu kuti vari kuzvifambisa sei. Nothing is useless, nothing is called useless when it comes to the fact that we are all doing the same job, which is challenging this government concerning the way that they are running our country. Every effort counts, whether we are answering a call to a march, whether we are signing my petition, sign a petition, or whether we are refusing things such as bond notes together, it all counts and it's all very important. So to all those, and let me be clear, everyone who has marched opposing corruption, injustice and poverty, we stand with you. I say to you, well done. Handingatsuki vanhu vane ushingi hwakadaro kuti unotoenda kutonomira parod and you demonstrate against that. That is true heroism for our country. And I want to thank you so much. Tinotenda uyezve tinomira nemi. So we continue the journey of speak, ask and act. Remember, no violence. Kwese kwatiri kwedza, we are trying that there's no violence. Hapana kutukana, hapana kurovana. But let's expose corruption. Let's speak against this. Let's ask the government. Patinoona kana kunzwa zvinhu zvisina kumira zvakanaka. We speak, we ask, and then as citizens, we find a way to act. Totsvaga a way yatinokwanisa kuti tiite act nayo. So the journey continues. We keep going. Taura, bvunza, ita, kuluma, buza, yenza. What can we do together? It's our job to make this country a better land. Thank you so much, Zimbabweans, wherever you are, those that are here, those that are away. Nyika ino indeed, this flag is our flag. We share it. It's our country. So we fight for it and we live for it. God bless you. We'll talk again soon as we get more information on the way forward. Bye-bye.